kind of some of the same industry.
Yeah.
But you ain't heard, I'm the motherfucking man. I stay fly, like a bird that came in. I stay gutter, like the side of the road. My eyes stay open, like a door that won't close. Got hoes, yep, not in my clothes. Got dough, but I don't trick it off in hoes. I stay smashing, like an accident is tragic. You know what I'm saying? A little bit is over. Yeah.
All right. Well, good speaking with you, bro. So we have on Hip Hop too. Now you with the Corrupted and Twisted, right?
Yeah,
we can catch you on
MySpace / Corrupted Twisted, MySpace / Epicology.
Oh, okay. Could you spell that Epicology?
Epicology, You know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm saying? Got me up here at the Greek studio, you know what I'm saying? So I gotta do this, man. Hollywood, man, you know what I'm saying? I got, you know what I'm saying? I got